Hi guys, and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video we're going to learn how to play one of the classics. I'm talking about Stand By Me by Benny King. I'm going to show you two different ways to play the song. One where we're going to play only the bass line, and another one where we're going to mix that bass line with chords like I just played. Before we start with the lesson, remember to subscribe to the channel. The song is in standard tuning, so just tune your guitar and let's begin. We're going to start with the first part of the video where we're going to learn how to play that melody that the bass plays on the original one. And it starts like this. We are going to play with the middle finger, the second fret on the third string. Right after we play that we have a rest, so we lift the finger and then we play again, the same tone. Then we move that same finger on the same fret to the fourth string. Then index finger, first fret, third string, and back to the first tone. And then we have the first measure and the first tone of the second measure. Okay. When we come to the second measure, we start with the same rhythm as the first measure. But now this time we're going to play again that same tone, first fret on the same string, and with the pinky finger we come to the fourth fret, fourth string. So there we have measure 1, 2, and first tone of the third measure. Okay, so now let's try to play that part together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's say one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect. So then when we arrive to the third measure, we are going to play that tone 2 times with the same rhythm as the first and second measures, with those rests between them. Then we come to the second fret on the same string and back to the fourth. Get it? So when we put together this with the beginning, measure 1, 2, 3 and half of the fourth measure, it sounds like this. So now let's play that part together. 1, 2, 3 and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, so now we play again that same tone, second fret on the same string, and fourth string open. Okay? And then we arrive to the fifth measure, and when we play that fourth string open, we do again the rest to play again. Every measure starts with the same rhythm. Then we play again fourth string open, fourth string fourth fret, and fourth string second fret. Okay. And after that it's just like beginning again. So there we have everything. I'm going to play one time from the measure 1 to the measure 8, and then we try together. And then we start again. Okay, so now let's try to play together. 1, 2, 3, and... Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Perfect, so now we can try to play it 2 times. Okay, so when we come to the 8th measure, we start all over again. 1, 2, 3, and... And we start again. Perfect, so there we have the first part of the video. And now we're going to start with a version where we play that bass line with chords at the same time. But we're going to play in a different key because I think that it becomes easier on that way. So if you want to play to the original key, you're going to need a capo on the 7th fret. But I'm going to do the video without capo. And we're going to start placing a D. Okay, and we start playing only the 4th string open, and we have rest, and then we play from the 4th string the rest of the strings. Okay, after that we play the 5th string open, 5th string 4th fret with the pinky finger, and back to the D. Okay, and then we have measure 1 and half of the second. Once we have that, we play again the 4th string open, 4th fret, 5th string, and then we place a B minor. If you still can't play bar chords, you can do like this. You skip the bar and you put only the index finger on the 2nd fret, 5th string. Okay, in that way it sounds good as well. And even if that chord is too difficult, you can skip the middle finger. And then we have only a power chord. Okay, so you choose which of these 3 options works better for you. If you can play bar chords, play the real B minor. Okay, so when we come there, we play the 5th string, then the chord, then we lift the index finger to play the 5th string open, and back to the B minor. So there we get the measure 1, 2, 3 and half of the 4th measure. B minor. Okay, so now let's try to play that together. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, and... Okay, after that we play again the 5th string with the 2nd fret, 5th string open, and then we place a G, and we're going to play the 6th string, rest, the chord, and then 6th string, 5th string, and 5th string open. So the 5th measure sounds like this. Okay. After that we play an A, and after that is like beginning again. Okay, and there we have everything. I'm going to play one time, the whole thing, and then we try together. From the measure 1 to the measure 8. Nice, so now let's try to play it together. From measure 1 to measure 8. 1, 2, 3, and... And now we can try to play it 2 times. So as soon as we come to the 8th measure, we start all over again. 1, 2, 3, and... And we start again. And that was Stand By Me by Benny King. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you want to get more videos like this one. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I remind you that if you visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, you're going to find the tabs for the song and many other lessons. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.